Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LG Q70, and now I'm gonna show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly, open the control panel, and here you need to find a record screen feature. So as you can see, I have this feature here, but if you have no screen recording icon on your control panel, you need to click on the pencil button on the right top corner of your screen. Find it here on the top part of your screen, then choose it, click and hold on it, then drag it to the lower part of your screen, click OK, and then your screen recording feature will be here. And now just click on this button, click start, allow, 3, 2, 1. So great, now my screen is recording. Here you can disable or enable microphone, and here you can enable or disable camera preview, your selfie camera, for example. Here, as you can see, here you can have the mini camera icon, and here you will be visible for users. You will show this video. Okay, and if you want to stop the video recording, just click on the square button to stop. Here you will see your video records. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.